Welcome to the voyage of your dreams. Let go of limitations and embrace self-reliance. In 2026, a shift in how we view recreational vehicles will usher in a new era of pleasurable road excursions. Introducing the Mazda Motorhome for 2026. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome makes a statement in both style and functionality, in contrast to the little convertibles we are accustomed to. It has more inside capacity while retaining Mazda's renowned agility thanks to a larger van base than the preceding Bongo. Its intelligent adaptive LED headlights, flowing lines, and flawlessly integrated Mazda grille give the external design a subtle yet eye-catching Kodo soul of motion aesthetic that effectively exudes elegance everywhere. Mazda has shown initiative under the hood by offering two different powerplant options. First of all, it is suitable for a range of terrains thanks to its potent 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gasoline engine, which provides the optimum performance and economy balance. The more sophisticated plug-in hybrid, PHEV model is also an option for people who want maximum efficiency and a low carbon footprint. It offers an amazing range for lengthy trips and pure electric cruising for environmentally responsible excursions by fusing a strong electric motor, a large capacity battery, and an inexpensive gasoline engine. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome greets you with a fusion of technology and style. The driver can easily access all of the amenities thanks to the dashboard's superb ergonomic design. The command center has a panoramic arching display, a cutting-edge entertainment system with wireless smartphone access, real-time navigation, and easy control over all RV amenities. Behind it is an assortment of readily transportable electronic devices that present crucial trip information in contemporary, comprehensible visuals. Every mile of travel is made more pleasurable by the luxurious and tranquil cabin ambience, which is accentuated by natural wood accents, soft-touch textiles, and adjustable ambient lighting. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's interior provides the greatest amount of living space versatility. You can effortlessly switch between a large living room for lounging and mingling and a tiny dining area for eating thanks to the modular architecture. This room is surrounded by large panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of whatever location you select and let in an abundance of natural light. When not in use, a built-in folding dining table makes the most of the available space, and premium leather chairs are pliable enough to bend and change. This is a mobile living area that promotes coziness and camaraderie, not merely a vehicle. In the end, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome becomes a peaceful retreat. After a long day of activity, the resting area is made to offer the most comfortable sleep imaginable. A top-notch orthopedic mattress is put on a queen or king-size bed, depending on the design, to guarantee a good night's sleep. The ideal setting for unwinding is created by the big blackout curtains and the calming ambient lighting. There is plenty room for all of your personal belongings, and the inside is kept tidy and orderly with an integrated closet and drawers for underbed storage. You'll feel refreshed and prepared to take on new tasks when you wake up. Comfort doesn't have to be compromised, even in remote locations. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's bathroom is the ultimate in both style and functionality. Every element, including a contemporary sink, a ceramic toilet that uses less water, and a high-pressure shower, is made to be as comfortable as possible. Luxurious facilities include a huge mirror and high-end composite countertops. Toiletries are kept tidy and easily accessible with a modern ventilation system that guarantees enough air circulation and concealed storage. The kitchen of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a gourmet's paradise. This completely functioning kitchen was designed with both elegance and utility in mind. Include a convection oven microwave, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a huge stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, and a high-capacity refrigerator/freezer. Enough countertop space facilitates meal preparation, and sophisticated cabinets with soft closing mechanisms and storage drawers ensure that all of your kitchen necessities are kept safe and secure while you're on the road. You can prepare your favorite meals anywhere you go with this kitchen.